And welcome to our channel. So today we are going to make this Khatta Meetha candy recipe, which is made out of tamarind, which we used to enjoy very much in our childhoods. So this I have made it in this grinding stone and not in the mixer grinder, so its taste will be very delicious. So let's continue in this video and see how we need to make this. If you have still not subscribed to our channel, make it fast and subscribe and hit the bell icon for all the latest video notifications. So let's begin. So the ingredients which are required to make this sweet candy are all of these. So this is tamarind, these are garlic, cumin seeds, salt, these are lemon plant leaves, this is jaggery, these are curry leaves, and we have chili powder. So we are going to make these sweet candies in this grinding stone. We do not use mixer because it does not taste well. When you make it in a stone, its taste turns out to be very nice. So let's begin. So firstly we will be adding this tamarind. So you should take a clean tamarind. If any seeds are there in between, you need to remove all of them. So we'll just make a little paste firstly with this. So as you can see, we have started our process. Just keep turning and then again the same. So now you can see this has changed. So now we will add our other ingredients one by one. So we'll add few leaves, jaggery, curry leaves, garlic, cumin seeds, salt as per taste, chili powder. If you require more spicy, then you can add more. We eat little less spice, so we are adding little. So now we are going to mix all of these ingredients very well. So now you can see it has started mixing. This will require little efforts, but the output is very tasty and delicious. So keep going. So now we can see all the ingredients are mixed and now this is ready. So now we'll just remove out whatever is been stuck to this stone. So I've taken out, so you can see. So now we'll just take a spoon and we will coat it to the spoon. In the childhood we used to enjoy this like this. Your wish if you can eat it this way, or you can make small circles out of it, small balls you can say. So same goes with other. This way you can eat, or you can make just small balls. This way also we can make and store it and eat it for months. Nothing will happen for this. So do try it out, I suggest, and let us know how it has turned out. Do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.